Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Suriname. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Suriname, a country on the northeastern Atlantic coast of South America, is primarily driven by the mining of natural resources such as gold, oil, and iron, as well as agriculture, food processing, and exports. Forex trading in Suriname is legal, and as the popularity of Forex trading has been steadily increasing over the course of the last few years, traders should consider finding themselves a globally regulated and safe broker. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Suriname and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a list of trustworthy brokers who accept and offer their services to Surinamese traders. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Suriname. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is FXPro. FXPro is an online fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CySEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro Ctrader, and the FXPro Trading Platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a Ctrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic and Demo accounts. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. At number 3 is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have OlympTrade. OlympTrade is a well-known online trading platform founded in 2014, which offers traders multiple different assets, including binary options. Safety measures and precautions are put first by this platform, and it is considered a financial organization that keeps the interest of its clients in mind at all times. Specializing in services and trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, ETFs, and OTCs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and their very own OlympTrade application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. OlympTrade offers a demo account and 2 main account types. Their basic account, which provides you with various strategies, indicators, and educational materials, and a VIP account with more benefits, from personal analytics to strategies and more. OlympTrade also provides their very own Help Center, which delves into a variety of helpful educational topics such as guides in platform functionality, the basics of trading, beginner tutorials, Forex guides, trading strategies, as well as a daily blog that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with OlympTrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Suriname, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CySEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Suriname on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.